In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to the Safe Sender list in Outlook. If you want to make sure messages from a specific sender always land in your inbox instead of being filtered into junk or spam, Outlook gives you a simple way to mark that sender as safe. This can be especially helpful if you're expecting important updates, login codes, newsletters you actually want, or messages from a trusted contact that Outlook may accidentally flag. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main Outlook screen, look toward the top right area and click the gear icon. This will open your settings menu where you can manage different options for your mailbox. After the settings panel appears, click on Email. This section contains the controls related to how your messages are handled, including spam and filtering preferences. From there, find and click Junk Mail. This is the area where Outlook lets you manage blocked senders, filtering rules, and your safe sender list. Once you're inside the Junk Mail settings, look for the Senders section. Here you should see an option to add a safe sender. Click Add Safe Sender, and then enter the email address you want to allow. Be sure to type the full address correctly, since even a small typo could prevent Outlook from recognizing the sender properly. After entering the email address, click OK to confirm it. Then click Save to apply the change. This final step is important because if you leave the settings page without saving, the new safe sender may not be added. And that's it. Once saved, Outlook will treat messages from that email address as trusted, which helps reduce the chances of those messages being sent to the junk folder. If you're still not seeing emails from that sender, it can also help to check your junk folder manually and move any existing messages into your inbox, since that can reinforce that the sender is legitimate. This is a quick but useful setting to know, especially if you rely on Outlook for important communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you add an email to the Safe Sender list in Outlook quickly and easily.